My name is Hunter Pankonin. I'm from Minnesota Supreme Feeders, 7th generation family farming. We're feeding anywhere from 5,500 to 6,000 head of cattle at a time between 2 yards and farming 4,800 tillable acres. We had a 9570 with duals on it, traditional duals, and it does not fit down the feed alleyways all that well. So you'd almost have to get down, fit that thing perfect. That's how you wreck rims. On the old setup, it was 2 to 3 a year, almost one every fall, early fall, in that concrete bunker, if not 2. And then typically somebody's going to catch a bunk, maneuvering through the yards, pulling into the alleyways. It just takes one, and you hit that thing an inch and it peels that rim back. That's downtime and money. The rims ain't cheap. We switched over to these LSWs after I talked to my John Deere rep, and he suggested going to this versus trading off for a machine with tighter duals. This was able to make this machine go from 16 feet down to just short of 11 feet. That was the biggest driver, is just narrowing the machine up to be able to effectively move through our alleyways, get down roadways, but still retain the effectiveness of surface area on the ground for the main reason of packing, the forages in in September. I went off the advisement of the salesman on basically what I explained to him, what I need this thing to do. That's what he referred me to, and that's ultimately the result I got. I've run it personally myself multiple times, and I like it. I think it handles very well. You're not 16 foot wide, road traveling. Some of our roads that we're on, they don't have much of a shoulder. You get onto a gravel road, you're taking up the entire road. These last few days, it's been pretty warm, frost coming up. It can get through anything that the other tractors are getting through just fine. The competing tractors that it's hauling manure with would be a 9420 with duals on it, and then a 8310 with duals on it. I'd say this one handles the best out of any of them in mud. It was a fair trade deal. I'm happy with what I got, happy with what he offered on the trade. It solved the problem that I had. I was very happy with it. They come out, they did everything. They hauled the trade-ins away. They hung the new weights on the outsides of these LSWs, and it was just easy. It took a day. There's no applications that we've come across that this tractor could not serve effectively.